Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Today we're going to be unboxing the new VisionTek 100W power adapter. One of the cool things that I like about this is it's just a brick, pretty small enough to throw in your backpack, your suitcase, whatever you need. But let's check this out. Just going to go ahead, cut the seal. The cover, take it out. There's the brick and the instructions. And we have the brick right here, which is pretty slick. So you have, your standard outlet right here. And then on the front, you do have two 12-watt USB-A's, an 18-watt USB Type-C, and then another cable which does your power delivery of 65 watts to 100 watts. So pretty much can work with a good chunk of notebooks. As you move into the workstation line, you will need additional power delivery. But for most notebooks, if you're doing up to 100 watts, something like this is really sweet. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.